Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing the April 2018 Tribe Beauty Box. But before I begin, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below and make sure that you hit the bell because I don't know what's going on with YouTube. They are only notifying people first when you make a video if you have that bell hit first. So if you want to be notified each and every time that I upload a video, please hit that bell. Okay, and if you don't already know, I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will leave it in the cards above and I will leave it down below. All right, so moving on. This is so exciting. Let me tell you a little backstory about this. I had some subscribers tell me about this box. This box is a Canadian. It's based in Canada. Well, the lady who does this, I believe you pronounce it Billy. She lives in Canada, so it's a Canadian subscription box. And I've heard about it, but it's every time I tried to get it, it was always out of stock. So finally, it came back in stock. It's a every other month subscription, and I believe it's either $34 or $35, plus you have to pay for shipping. So it's my very first one and I'm very excited. I know it is expensive. It's like $34, $35, but it's not monthly. It's every other month, so I can deal with that. So let's begin. I don't know what's in here. I've seen a couple of the spoilers, but I don't know everything that's in this box. So it literally just got here. So let's just open her up. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, this is what it looks like. So, oh, sorry about that noise. I always slam down the knife. This is the card. It says 20% off exclusively for Tribe Beauty Box subscribers. And it just says enjoy your 20%. Okay, use code TRIBE if you can see that at Ruby May Cosmetics. And then the next card is use promo code TRIBEBEAUTY20 for 20% off your purchase of masquerade.com. So there you go if you want to screenshot that. Okay, so it comes with a card, which is great, and it comes with the prices, so I love that. But this box is actually smaller than what I thought. It's way smaller than the BoxyCharm box. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see. And we have a lipstick from Too Faced. It's a lip balm, so that's good. This is in the shade Honey Bunny. Okay. And that's what she looks like. Oh, this is a really pretty like nude color. That's really nice. Let's swatch that. So it's like a tinted lip balm, which I have really been liking. If you see, I'm not into the matte look anymore. I always put a lip gloss over my lipstick. So I'm excited to try that. And then we got, what is this? This is by Ruby May Cosmetics. That's why we got the code TRIBE if you go to their website for 20% off. This looks like, it says an eyeshadow palette. And of course, it is always, I gotta have my knife because I don't edit my videos. Okay, come on. Okay, let's see. So this is nice. This is like it's an all shimmer palette, which I do enjoy that. I mean, it's not my favorite, but I do enjoy it because I do wear shimmer shades, and that's what she looks like. So let's just swatch it and see. So far, so good. Okay, so that's what it looks like on here. Do some. Oh, these are really pigmented and pretty. That's the first four. That's awesome. This one here would look great like on for your eyebrow or, okay, then we have two left and that's what they look like. Very soft and, but oh my God, look at the pigment, guys. That is gorgeous. It looks like you wouldn't even have to wet them. I don't know, but moving on. Okay, the next thing, which this is the Marc Jacobs. I did see this for the spoiler. This is the setting mist, and I love setting sprays, more or less to melt in my powders. You know what? I'm not even telling you the prices because I'm so excited. I do apologize. Okay, this Marc Jacobs setting mist is $15. The Ruby May Cosmetics the Ruby May eyeshadow palette is $17. The Too Faced lip balm is $21. I guess the latex, I guess you could have got the lipstick or the latex, and the latex would have been 22, but mine is 21. So already, I mean, this is paying for the box. Okay. So what does this say? What does it do? I've never owned any Marc Jacobs. This is the Marc Jacobs Coconut Setting Spray for $15. Revive your glow and set and perfect your makeup with this next level setting moist. It combines 24-hour performance with hydrating, skin-loving actives. This fine micro mist delivers a healthy-looking dewy glow to the complexion at the same time. Looking into makeup so it stops and okay. All right, let's see what the mister is like. Oh, it's a nice spray, so that's good. It's a little hard, so it would probably leave drops. So then what I would do is just go in with the sponge and push it in. And that way, if you ever get a mister that you don't like, that's too hard, just get that sponge and push it in right away, and then you won't see the dots. But it's not too bad, but it's not my favorite, but it's not bad. And if you ever don't like it, what I do is a lot of times my favorite mister is on the Wet n Wild setting sprays. And I usually just pour everything in there. Okay, moving on. The next thing we got is an eyebrow brush. This is from, what is this from? Ruby May Cosmetics Dual Brow Brush. And this would be $19. But I have to say, this is a really, really nice bristles for your eyebrows. And this is just a regular spoolie. So I'm not complaining about this too because I love getting eyebrow brushes. All right. And is it, yeah, last but not least, and on the bottom you have the little peanut things. And these are masks. And if you have an OG of mine, you know I love face masks. And what does this say? Okay, so these are $28. And how many do you get? So you get 4 of them. So we have hydrating facial sheet mask. Now I never tried anything from Mask Aid, and that's what this, if you go on and do Try Beauty 20, you get 20% off of that. So then we have, are these all hydrating? Okay, so this is an all-nighter. This is the Awaken, Replenish, and Refresh mask. This one is Restore, Regenerate, and Repair mask. This one says, I don't want to grow up. Lift firm and soften fine lines. I definitely need that. And this is pre-prep, pre-party prep. This is the Brighten, Prep, and Energize. So that's exciting. I really like this box. I mean, this is my first box. It's every month. Everything in here I really do like. I mean, I don't know about $19 for this, but I'm not complaining because I love anything with eyebrows. And yeah, let me know in the comments below. Do you get this box? Are you going to get this box? I will leave everything down below. The link, it is not a referral link or anything like that. It'll just take you to the website. I think the next box will be June, right? So this is April, so June. So make sure you get on that waiting list or try if you can get the box because it sells out extremely fast. And yeah, let me know what you think of this box. Do you think it's worth the $34? Let me know. And anyway, until my next video. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget, I will try to leave a box right here. That'll take you right to my giveaway. You just have to click that box and it'll take you there. If you want to subscribe to my channel and help support me, right here you will see a picture of my face. You just hit that. And over here, I'll just throw in another video in case you want to see more of me. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.